fear is what drives us to like work twice as hard and get things moving forward.
We have 10 companies that have moved to Philadelphia from all over the world.
It's going to be really energizing. It's going to be a very different and very unique experience for all of us.
These sounders are going to be put through the ringer the next 13 weeks.
I had no real expectations of the program, and I think a lot of that started to set in when I actually got here.
We're trying to keep our head on straight. That's just really the truth of it.
Startup is like a roller coaster. It's just what it takes to run a successful business.
Focus and clarity is actually what is helping us trend here and to the right.
I thought it went really well.
Being around people who are all so driven is infectious.